shit!
Wait.
Oh,
ก็ดูรถไอ้
No, you cannot joke about that.
Yeah, that's not funny, Arthur. That's not the kind of humor we do on this show.
Okay, yeah, I'm sorry.
Drivers always tell me to get fucked, and I hope you break your legs, your legs, your legs, your legs.
The light's red, bicycle. Catching a lot.
We bloody up. Fucking idiots. We didn't even look.
Still a red light.
It's a minefield, but thankfully Auto Trader is helping
Fudge! Wrong one. Try that side. Wrong way. Back up. Move. Reverse, lady. That one you want. Fucking start walking, would ya? Oh, and that one, mate. Well done, you wanker.
My God.
When it comes to the safety and reliability of your vehicle, a minor service is hard to beat. We've just made a premium car service even more affordable from $179. Call the auto service experts.
Fucking idiot.
Free minors or book online. Terms and conditions apply.
Just low ตรงนี้ทำไมเนี่ย เฮ้ย
ไหน
They have right blinkers on and they're gonna just stop
It's
traffic. Look at that,
okay.
you idiot.
Sometimes people forget. I mean,
Well, look at that. Bloody idiot. And he just ran the red light.
อะไรก็มองแต่ทางนู้น
I think that was the drain.
อ๋อ
I think that was the drain.
อ๋อ
So you can see here where I hit my bumper right over here. Poor car. My first ever car has its first damage.
I've been in this industry for 6 years. Was it the first day
Really? You fucking indicate now, you fucking dickhead?
Fellas, I'm getting sick and tired of saying this, but our shitbag titty fuck of the week.
You're a yob or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a yob, oh, bub. What are you?
Denied.
Yeah.
No helmet,
No helmet,
no plate.
no plates. It's not registered.
Never.
Yep, it's a yobbo. Oh shit! You nearly got rear-ended then.
Yes, I know.
Take your career to the next level with an online postgraduate degree from Monash University. With 100% online degrees, you can study what you want while you work. Search Monash online today.
Fucking car like that? Who the fuck parks their car like that? Dumb fucking idiots!
Use your fucking indicator, you moron.
But not to Chermside and make it like a big deal, almost, and go somewhere like really nice. And I was like, oh, thanks. My guy. Did you fucking see what she just did? That...
The fuck, woman? Really, old man? fucking bad.
I'm dropping the hammer.
No, you're not.